In this video, I will show you 800,000 customers who are ready to spend money on your ideas with their credit cards. And you can get paid via PayPal, Stripe, bank transfer, or cryptocurrency if you want. You're going to make money online and you're going to make $1,000 to $5,000 a day, even if you're a complete beginner and you have zero experience, no technical knowledge, no website, no hosting server, no email list required, no social following required. All you have to do is to spend 3 to 5 minutes of your time and answer questions that are already available on Google. So let me show you where the money is. This is my Warrior Plus account, one of my accounts, and you can see the amount of money, right? Let me take a screenshot so it will be easy to demonstrate. So you see these numbers, last 30 days numbers, last month's numbers. These are really big numbers and very inspiring. But these are not the most important numbers. The most important numbers are these visitors and these hops. These visitors are the hops are the real people who paid us money. Now, in order to make money online using this method, what we do is we make videos, but not like these videos. We don't record ourselves using camera, microphone. For our other 20 plus channels, we use our artificial intelligence software, Epic. Epic writes the scripts of the videos for us using artificial intelligence. Epic then turns that script into natural sounding voiceover in one click. And then Epic allows us to make videos using images, texts, and links. And that's not all. Epic allows us to make bite-sized, tiny videos, and then combine them into one long video in just one click. But the good news is we just need 1 minute long video using 3 to 5 minutes of our times. And I'm gonna show you how we do that in a moment. But those videos are the answers of these people who are asking questions online. I'm going to give you a simple idea that will drive 800,000 customers per month. You ready for this? Awesome. Before we begin, hit the like button and share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, and everyone you know. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Go ahead. Oh, by the way, if you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next money-making video. By the way, did you see somebody's typing my words as I'm speaking? This is an automatic speech-to-text software, and this software is free for you. Grab this software. You can offer transcription service on Fiverr and make $365,000 just like this lady. This lady works 10 minutes with this kind of software and earns $10 for that. Once you start making money on Fiverr, you can record your experience using Epic, link in the description, and upload your videos, your experience videos on Udemy as a bundle of videos. They call it online course. And just like this person, you can make $371,000 from Udemy completely passive. Love it? Go ahead, grab this software, transcription software, from the link in the description as well. So let's move on to the passive income. I was watching this video. This channel is awesome. I love this man. And this is a 20 minutes long video talking about 5 passive income ideas. After 6 minutes of watching, I found a promotion. And the promotion was good, really informative, awesome, and it actually answers some of my questions about online security, how I can secure my accounts, etc., etc. And he said, hey, there is a link in the description. So I clicked on the description. I found all those different links. So what are these things? These links are affiliate promotions, affiliate links. Okay, now after 15 minutes of watching, I didn't actually find any step-by-step method of making money because this video is not about any step-by-step. It's ideas for passive income. I am watching them to have some new ideas so I can use them in future. Hundreds of thousands of people are looking for these ideas every single day. So let me show you. I searched using a keyword research tool with the keyword idea, and I want to know what kind of idea people are looking for so I can answer them and get some clicks out of them, and those clicks will turn into money. Sounds good? And what I found is there are 236,434 keywords about ideas that people are looking for. For an example, idea for dinner. That is what I'm talking about, because there are millions of types of dinners. An idea for dinner is a key phrase that 823,000 people are looking for every single month. So what you're gonna do is grab Epic from the link in the description and make 1-minute videos about dinner ideas. Publish them on YouTube, and YouTube will send you customers. Look at these. These are YouTube shorts about ideas. And can you see the numbers of views? Let me read them for you. The first one, 7.3 million views. The second one, 55 million views. Third one, 7.2 million views. Then 545,000 views, 1 million views, 48 million views, all about ideas. Now, think about these visitors here. Think about how much money would be made if these clicks or visitors are in millions. Here is a trick. When you make videos using Epic, of course, link is in the description. Epic is free for you. In your video, mention that in case they want more or want to learn more, or they want to buy some accessories that you are using in your ideas, they can get them from the link in your description and in the first comment. People will love your content, your generosity, your information, your education, and eventually they will click some links, turn into money, and you will make money. This is super simple. That's how you make money. So there is nothing big to do actually. Answer people's questions with your content using Epic, using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. First of all, do a little research of what people are asking for online, what kind of ideas people are looking for, what kind of information, education people are looking for. Learn them on YouTube. Take ideas from YouTube. YouTube is free. Put those simple 1-minute ideas into Epic. Epic is free for you. Make 1-minute videos using 3 to 5 minutes of your time. Publish your videos on YouTube, and YouTube will send you customers. Now, why would YouTube send you customers? That's another question. It's because especially YouTube Shorts is a new feature on YouTube, and YouTube created Shorts to compete with TikTok and Instagram Reels. So YouTube is promoting YouTube Shorts and creators heavily. When you make shorts, YouTube will love you, they will love your shorts, they will send you free customers, and you will make money. This is the simplest and the most passive income online. Now go ahead, grab Epic, give people ideas with your simple videos, and make passive income online. We use our own artificial intelligence software. It's called Epic. Epic is free to start. Link is in the description. Go grab it. And let me quickly show you how to just upload a file, a text file, and make a video just like. So let's say you have a story or a script for your video written in a text file, and the text file is saved in your hard drive. Yes, by the way, Epic helps you make videos using image and text. Epic turns text into natural sounding voiceover. Epic writes this script using artificial intelligence. Everything is included inside Epic, and Epic makes bite-sized videos in tiny little bit sections right here. Now you don't have any section, but in 1 second there will be. I will go to the text section and go to the text file to video section and click this upload text file button. Then click choose file. So I will select this file and click open, and then click submit. And in a matter of seconds, on the right hand side you see all these tiny sections. Click on them and you see each paragraph is on the canvas. Now you can just copy this text, come here and copy this text, go to the audio section. If you want to upload your audio or voiceover file, super awesome. Or you can record your voice directly through your microphone, or you can go to the text to audio section, click the add button, put your text here, give it a title, select the quality, select the voiceover type, and just one click, the voiceover will be ready. Let me do it. Click, the voiceover is ready. Now go to the text to audio section and play. If you want to preview, I would like to ask the editor to download this file from here, from this project, and play when I play. Play.
Only one word can be used to describe Squid Game: intense. The entire show is on an entirely new level.
I can pause it. I can just click add and immediately it's added to this slide. Now I can add any image from my library just in one click. Here it is. Or I can copy the link of any image and just paste it here, and immediately the image will be loaded on the canvas. How cool is that? Let me delete it, and instead of copying the address, let's copy the image from another site. So copy image, and I will click here, paste here, click upload, and immediately the image is in my library just in one click. I can use the image, talk about it, make a section of the video. And this way I can go on and on. I can save my project, come back later, add more section if I want in the same process. And once I'm happy with my section or the whole video, I'll simply click one render button and the video will be ready in the background. This is how we make videos for 20 plus channels using complete beginner assistance, or maybe my kids and sometimes myself, without using expensive softwares, experienced editors, special effects, or anything at all. So our videos are story based, informative, educational, but it takes only a few minutes to build. That gets us thousands of clicks. Did you like our video? We put a lot of effort on it, so you learn how to make money online. But we need your help to reach 100 million people in the next 10 years. And for that, we need your like and your share. Go ahead, do it. Share this video with your friends, family, social media contacts, email contacts, WhatsApp contacts, Telegram contacts, everyone you know. They will love you, they will follow you, and they will buy from you. And if you subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button. YouTube will notify you when we will upload our next money making video, and we will see you in the next video.